Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I will compare paper versus canvas for beginner acrylic artists in order to help them decide what to use for their paintings, especially as they start out. Now, in the beginning, we all tend to feel a little bit overwhelmed seeing the numerous choices we have in terms of paint, paper, canvases, tools, etc. That is completely normal, and as you proceed in your painting journey, you will begin to get the hang of things. Today's video is my attempt to help you out a little bit along the way. Before we begin, just wanted to say that if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more art and creative content. Also, if you like today's video, do give it a thumbs up. And now, let's get started. These are your most common options: paper, canvas board, now as you can see, it has narrow edges and it's just like a board but has a canvas on top. And that's what the back looks like. This one is a stretched canvas. So as you can see, it has got thick edges, thicker than the canvas board. That's the back, and as you can see, the canvas is stretched out. This is another stretched canvas, slightly bigger than the previous one I showed you. You can see it has thick edges and the back looks like this. Now these come in various different sizes and also shapes, so you can choose accordingly. I believe that there are 5 main factors which you must consider before choosing your base. Number 1 is purpose. So what is the purpose of your painting? Is it for practice? Do you want to display the finished piece? Would you like to give it as a gift? Once you have the purpose clear in your mind, you can choose your base accordingly. For instance, if you just want to practice, you could simply try out different techniques on paper or acrylic sketch pads. On the other hand, if you would like to display or gift your painting, you could use paper or canvas. Then your choice would depend on the remaining factors that we discuss further in the video. Number 2 is texture. This is another key factor to help you decide. Generally, canvases inherently have more texture than paper. Although you can create texture on paper as well, I have a few videos already on my channel where I've shown you how to create textured acrylic paintings on paper, where you have to do a few extra steps that I have shown you, whereas with a canvas you get some inbuilt texture by default. I will link those videos in the description box in case you wanted to check them out. However, in general, if you want a smoother print-like finish, you may go with paper, and if you want more inbuilt texture, use a canvas. Number 3 is the technique. So if you're using rubbing alcohol in your painting process, or in case there is a lot of layering and wiping off of the paint, etc., then I would suggest opting for canvas boards or stretched canvases, because sometimes some of these techniques may damage the paper. If you want to learn more of these techniques, check out the videos I have made on my channel previously explaining these techniques in detail. I will leave links to everything in the description box below. Number 4 is budget. So in general, stretched canvases tend to be the most expensive. Canvas boards come next, followed by paper. So depending upon your budget, you can choose accordingly. And number 5 is the finished look. So another key factor to help you decide is the finished look of the painting. That is how you want the displayed piece to look on the wall or the shelf or wherever you decide to display it. Usually paintings done on paper can be framed in various different ways, and you can choose the layout, the frame, the size, the background, etc. Paintings done on stretched canvases are usually put up just the way they are. However, you can still frame them, although it takes a bit more work. So depending on your vision for the final product, you can choose accordingly. Hope this video was helpful. Do let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more informational videos like this one. And of course, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you soon. Bye.